Hello, dear friends. You are with the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will learn what garter stitch is and how to knit it. In previous lessons, we have already learned how to knit both the knit and purl stitches. For those who missed the lessons, I will leave links below the video. You have probably noticed that each knit stitch looks like a purl stitch on the back. And each purl stitch looks like a knit stitch. Therefore, if you knit all rows with just knit stitches or just purl stitches, you will get a dense double-sided fabric. This is garter stitch. It is used for knitting scarves, borders, collars, meaning this pattern is used to make both sides look pretty. Let's get started. We will cast on a few stitches. I cast on 10 and will knit the first row with knit stitches, the needle with R. The cast on stitches is held in the left hand. The right hand is free. We slip the first edge stitch. Next, we will knit all our stitches with classic knit stitches, that is, through the front loop. As for how to knit them, I repeat, we have already learned. Check the links below the video. I will leave them. I will knit the first row with classic knit stitches. I will knit the last stitch as a grandmother's purl. After knitting the first row with knits, we turn the work. In the second row, we will also knit with knit stitches, the first step. And last edge stitch will also be knit as a grandmother's purl. In the next row, we will knit knit stitches again, that is, all rows will be knit with knits. I will knit a few rows. So that we can see how garter stitch looks, I have knitted a few rows with classic knit stitches. It has turned into a double-sided dense fabric. You can knit not only with classic knits, but also with grandmother's knits. Now let's try to knit the same garter fabric using classic purl stitches. Alternatively, you can knit as a grandmother, whichever is more convenient. We slip the first stitch. Next, we knit classic purl stitches. As for how to knit them, we have already learned. I will leave links to our lessons below the video. I will finish this row with classic purl stitches. I will knit the last stitch with the grandmother's purl after knitting one row. We will turn the work. The second row is knitted using classic purls. That is, we will knit all rows the same way, either using classic purls or grandmother purls. I will knit several rows, and again, we will see how the garter stitch looks. Knitted with classic purls, as we can see, the fabric turns out the same as in the previous case. Denser and double-sided. This is garter stitch, garter fabric. So we can knit either with knit or purl stitches, whichever we prefer, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we will meet at the next lesson. Bye bye.